KDT's KS-542HL rear-loading double-pusher saw center represents a new and efficient solution for furniture production. We use a saw carriage with innovative Maglev linear drive technology, which has been patented in China, Germany, and Italy. Compared with the rotary forcing, it realizes Maglev non-contact and linear motion. The linear guide has a rigid structure, high precision, and good dust protection. More stable and efficient operation, high travel speed, high quality and efficient cutting. It is applicable to all kinds of production. KDT will continuously update its sewing technology and contribute to the development of furniture technology.